it's Sam here, and in this video I'll be taking a look at the Redragon EISA K686 Pro SE Anime keyboard. It's a 96% trimode keyboard priced at $65 for the regular version and $75 for the anime version I have here. In the box, there's the user manual for the keyboard, a few Redragon stickers, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, a Type-A to Type-C right angle cable, 4 extra switches, a custom hard plastic cover for the keyboard, and the keyboard itself, which weighs 900 grams or just under 2 pounds. As you can see, I have the anime version here, but if you're not into that, there's the regular version as well that looks like this. So the keyboard has a 96% layout with a volume knob on the top right corner and indicator lights in between the keys here. The keyboard also comes with OEM profile die-cut PBT keycaps, which are 1.3mm thick and has their EISA character and patterns printed on. It looks pretty good and really fits in here, as you can see. Besides that, it also comes with custom Otemu hi-fi switches, which are pre-lubed out of the box, plate-mounted stabilizers which are pre-lubed as well, as you can see, a 5-pin hot swap north-facing PCB, and a gasket-mounted structure with a flex-cut polycarbonate plate and PCB, which provides a softer and bouncy typing feel. The left side looks like this with the Redragon logo, the Type-C connection port, the toggle switches, and the OEM profile keycaps. On the right, there's the knob here and a slot for the 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle. On the front, there's this two-tone design with no logos, and on the back, there's this graphic and some wording here in the middle. On the bottom, there is 4 rubber feet, 2 height-adjustable feet, some keyboard information in the middle, and a textured print of the EISA anime character by Redragon on the case. And the printing has some texture so you can actually feel it. There is 2 configurations for the height adjustable feet, so you can increase the typing angle slightly or use it at the max height depending on your preference. As for the lighting, the keyboard has per key RGB and you can toggle in between the effects by pressing the function and insert key. It looks great in my opinion, and there is a lot of effects included. As for the customizability, the keyboard comes with the Redragon software. So you can create different profiles for the keyboard here and remap all of the keys and layers on the keyboard as well. Besides that, you can configure the RGB lighting effects here, make the RGB on the keyboard reactive to sound like an audio visualizer, create and import macros, and access other information and settings about the keyboard here as well. Moving on to the parts and components inside, you access them by removing all of the 10 screws on the bottom, followed by the knob and the top case. So in the bottom case, there's a piece of sound dampening foam, the 3000 mAh power battery, the daughterboard with the port and switches connecting to the PCB, which has flex cuts as you can see. The polycarbonate plate has flex cuts too, and it's gasket mounted with the silicone sleeves on the sides. They sit onto the bottom case like this and provide a soft and flexible typing feel. As for the mods, there's a pre-cut plate foam, an IXPE switch pad, and a PET sheet which goes in between the plate and PCB to help dampen the sound. Alright, that was everything about the keyboard. Now time for the sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon EISA K686 Pro. Honestly, it's a pretty decent 96% keyboard. It's equipped with a knob and trimode connectivity, and if you're into this anime styling on this special edition, the printing is really high quality and looks awesome in my opinion. So if you're interested in the EISA K686 Pro, the normal version and the anime version will be linked in the description below for you. And that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.